So the day has finally come where I can finally announce the release of my newest kit. And it's entitled Winter's Soul. Winter's Soul is the newest, or should I say latest and last, Crafty Trinity collaboration for the year 2022. Now, if you're not familiar with the Crafty Trinity, it's a trio that consists of Sonya Stover of Artsy Solutions, THELISHA of Where Baking and Crafting Meets, and myself, Fam the Fabulous of Livie's Lovelies. And we came together once again, one last time for 2022, to bring you some winter crafting inspiration. And so there'll be links in the description box below to each one of our video releases. And you're more than welcome to head on over there after this video ends. But listen, come on back after you get finished with the flip through so we can do a little bit of crafting using parts of the kit. All right, see you on the other side. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed collaborating with Sonya and THELISHA on this last kit for 2022. This is the third, I think this is the third one for the year, third or fourth one of the year. We've also done some challenges, but it's been a joy to work with them, and hopefully in the 2023 we'll bring you guys challenges, more challenges, as opposed to the kits. We'll still be designing our own kits, but we want to do a little bit more challenges to bring our community, bring that community in. Now listen, without further ado, I have on my desk some items that I want to use to create a mixed media, a small little mixed media piece of art. Okay, little something that I can either leave here in my home or gift to a friend or a loved one, right? All right, so listen. This is the page from the kit that I want to work with. I loved that image here. This bare tree with the blue sky. I've seen plenty of those from my hometown, and the snow on the ground. And I probably will use some of the snowflakes. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but nevertheless, I'm going to quit talking and pull out the elements needed. Now on my desk I grabbed some faux snow from Dollar Tree. I've used this in a couple of other projects. I've got some, I don't even know where I got this stuff from, but I'll probably use some of this as well. I pulled out this these trees because I want to make it dimensional, you know. I'll figure out how to do that, and then who knows, I might even use one of the snowflakes. But we don't need to keep talking. If you got some crafty things around and you want to just craft along with me and listen to some relaxing music, go ahead, grab your supplies, hit pause, and come on back. All right. All right, so we have finished this mixed media little piece of artwork just with some collaging. You guys saw me create the jelly prints. That's some of the ones. The polka dot is what I created using the jelly prints. And then there's a little snow down there. There's that tree. There's that snowflake and the beauty of winter. The beauty of the winter sky. All right, and so that is what we created using the kit. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now remember, there will be links below in the description box to all of our kits. I welcome you to head on over to Sonya and THELISHA's channels and check out their kits as well. And with that being said, until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, guys, stay encouraged. Stay blessed, stay creative, and crafting. Bye for now. Ooh, look at that hands. All that pretty paint. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.